Okay, all cleaned up from that. We'll see how that works out, getting ready to go on test drive. But I figured since I got the camcorder up, might as well do like a little update. Changed the plugs out on the vet. I went with rapid fire number 5s. Gapped them at 45, from what I understand. Here's all the old plugs. They're as you can see, it's running really rich, which I knew it was, because it'd puff out black smoke every now and then. As you can see, this one is like a platinum, but the rest of them are just regular AC Delco. Let's see, MR43LTS. That's what all of them are. But they're all really bad. I mean, you can just really tell it's running rich. So what I think it is the power valve, which is inside of here. I think it might be bad, because what I'm told is whenever you have on a Holly, if you have a a backfire, it usually blows those out pretty easily, the power valves. So anyway, so I got that. Latest rendition of my Arsenal, which is more like, I guess, for a kid, but it's a big cat. Let's see, I'll show this one. It's a big cat, 1200 by Gamo. It shoots the .177 caliber, and I like it. We've been having bird problems, so it's I'll show you. Brake barrel. But anyways, we've been having bird problems. They've been coming out and eating the dog's food and pooping all over the place. And not only that, not only are they pooping all over the place, but they are Dakotas. They're eating my dog's food. They're getting in his water bottle, or his water over there, and taking baths in it and getting it nasty. We had a good rain last night for the first time in forever. But there's just poop all over the place. If I zoom in, you can really see it. But we have this, which is really cool. It holds almost 40 pounds, which we buy those 40-pound bags. Dump it out from there into his food. But these birds, they'll come up here and they'll steal it out of there. And anyways, so taking care of them. Oh, let me show you. Dakota, gross. Throw up some other time. This is what I was using to sight it in. I was shooting it right there, and these pellets are going straight through this. And you can see that it went through that. A few holes, but it's coming out on the other end. So it's a strong gun. I've got like 5 kills so far. Those birds. I'm getting those big black birds and like the cackle birds or whatever. I shot that with it. You see it put a hole in there. But anyway, so that's that. This is my latest project, which I actually finished the other day. I started it up and it wouldn't start, wouldn't run. I sprayed carb cleaner in there and it ran for a second and died, so I knew it was the carburetor. And I looked in there and there's no gas, which I was like, okay, cool. They ran it out of gas and they left it stored. Well, I guess they left gas in the carburetor because it was all gummed up. And I'm not going to take all this apart, but you'll be able to see hopefully. took off the float bolt. Dakota, I'm not going to kiss you. Get back. So took off the float bowl, cleaned that all out. The needle and seat was frozen in there. So I got that out, cleaned it up, stuck it back in there. Thing fired right up. But missing a battery, missing a key. But shouldn't be too bad. Dakotas, you gonna get them birds? Huh? You gonna get them birds? You gonna get that bird? Go get them birds. He's been catching a couple of them. Sometimes he just gives up on them. Just forget it. Then this is gonna be my paint booth. It's an old, the lid's all jacked up, but figured it'd be a good little paint booth. Or I have one of those little hand sandblaster deals. Figured it'd be great to work in that. Let's see, let's come back in here. Yeah, let's see. Shop's a mess. I've been too busy. That's a little sandblaster. But here's my new vise. This had my old one on there, but these holes didn't match up. So I got this steel plate, and it was actually too skinny. So I welded them. Can't really see, but anyway, welded that. And then these were from my old welder, but I had welded that in there in a couple spots. Got a little bit better in welding. Practice makes perfect. But oh yeah, so that works now. Yeah, I think I might be selling the bench press. The bench press. The shop press. It takes up a lot of room, and I don't really use it. So I don't know. Might smash a few more things before I get rid of it. But alright. Well, anyways, as always, I guess, comment, rate, let me know what you want to see, and God bless.